Just making this bowl or honey pot or whatever you want to call it. It's about 6 inches across. So in order to get in there and hollow it correctly and keep the lines, I created a shop-made or homemade hollowing tool out of a 5/16 Allen wrench with a long shaft on it, so it's about 2.5 inches in. It's just a pool cue, an old pool cue blank 4-arm pot where the joint screw will be right here, and the collar or ferrule is just a pool cue joint pot where the shaft will connect to the butt. Pretty basic, but I've used it on a few projects now and it works pretty good. I got my project to make a video just to show you guys how my hollowing tool works. Now I've just started the inside dimensions. Okay, I'm roughly at my finished depth. I am at extreme angles now with my regular tools to make cuts. Even with the tool rest mounted like this and going inside for an interior cut, I would still run into difficulties with the inside shoulder of the rounded part because my tool would be hitting the lip of the piece before I was at where I wanted to be on the interior. So I'm just going to change the camera angle, and okay, I got you guys looking right down into the piece as good as I can. Before I get started here, I want to just point out a few things. Either have the tool rest just at center or just above center, or so your tool is just above center. You got to remember your height of your tool. So if you have the tool rest mounted too low, you get a lot of little catches. So just above center, and you want a slightly downward angle as you're scraping. This is just a scraper. It's not an extreme tool. It's going to remove a ton of material at a time. But on a piece like this, you're going to have to get in there to hollow it out. So this tool, I find, is the best thing that I have right now for doing that particular job. So there you go. For demo purposes, that's my tool in action. Thanks for watching.